I just want to mention one last thing here on the lecture, and that is about in-class portion and also exams. The idea is to have exams in person, and I would like to have everybody that feels comfortable to have a in-person exam experience, because I can be more secure about the about you having the controlled environment that I want you to take the exam in. I know that exams can sometimes give you anxiety. I understand that. It would be nice to take them at home. But at home, there's all these resources that you can use. And some people are going to do it the right way, and some people are going to be doing it in a way that I'm concerned about. So if you're comfortable with coming into class, I'm going to want to have you in an in-class exam, unless there's a situation that arises that I'll look at it by case basis. If you're not going to come to class and you want to take the exam online, I understand that. I understand you want to protect yourself, your family, somebody you love from possibility of getting coronavirus. That's fine. I'm accepting of that. Note that there's going to be a little different exam for you that's online because of all the resources you have there. So we're going to try to stick with as many people as possible have in-person exams. If I can still give those, if I still am allowed to give in-person exams, I'm going to try to give those to as many as possible. So unless you have a really good reason to not take the in-person exam, unless you are not doing anything in this class in person, then I'm going to ask you to stay with that in-person exam. I've been kind of reading the results from the survey, and that's kind of what I've been gathering and learning from that. I'm learning too, trying to figure out how to run this class in a pandemic. I hope you can help me and give me some feedback if you think I can improve anything as we go. I will see you again on Monday.